Hello, I'm Vadim. I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. Today, I'll show you how you can quickly fix crashed database tables in Nagios XI. Database crashes can be caused by improper shutdown or running low on disk space. This can be resolved with a few simple steps. Let's take a look. Sometimes when you log into Nagios XI, you might not see any hosts or services as shown here. The first thing you want to do is to go check hosts. Click host status. Here we can see that there's a database error. Sometimes you might have 0 hosts or services running, and you'll see that in the database. This corruption is caused by power outages, low disk space, or improper shutdown. The best way to shut down Nagios XI is to enter in the command shutdown-h now. This will ensure that your data doesn't get corrupted. To fix this database, it's telling us to go to user local Nagios XI scripts repair databases.sh. We go to the terminal where Nagios XI is located. I will be using a slightly different command, but both of these commands can have the same result. We want to shut down MySQL services, so we enter in service MySQL d stop. Then we enter /user local Nagios XI scripts repair mysql.sh space Nagios. It will start repairing the databases. And here on the right side, we see that our hosts came back online. Finally, you want to launch service MySQL d and start. There's a document that you could look at that has commands if you have a different version of Linux down in the description. If you have any questions, check out support.nagios.com for more resources. Make sure to properly shut down with shutdown-h now. This will ensure that Nagios XI shuts down properly. I hope this has helped you fix your crashed database tables in Nagios XI. If you've enjoyed this video, consider looking at our YouTube channel for more helpful videos, and I'll see you in the next one.